This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this program we will discuss how to count down and launch a rocket using basic graphics. In our previous video we discussed how to draw a rocket and then launching a rocket. So in this program we will specifically first count and then launch a rocket. So let's switch to the IDE of GWPC programming language, viewers. So here we are in line 10. We will type RAM. Name of the program is Rocket 3. Line 20, we will so in line 10 we will type just asterisk, or we can just type CLS and start it once again. Line 10 we will type RAM and then asterisk throughout the way along. Line 20 we will type RAM and then asterisk, and name of the program as Rocket 3 asterisk close. Line 30 we will type RAM and then type asterisk count down and launch a rocket. Line 40 we will type so. So we will type in line 85. So we will now actually add few lines in the above program, and now we will type command auto and type 20 over here. Now we will type RAM and then type the program as Rocket 3. Line 30 we will type RAM asterisk count down and launch a rocket, and then we'll type Control C. Now list the program. We can see line 30 as count down and launch a rocket, and now we'll type auto and type 85. Now we'll type in line 85 as T minus, using a variable, integer variable, and assign a value 10. And here we will type Control C. That is the program. And now you can see line 85 on the screen. So 85, after 85 you can see 90, and then from 100 till 190. Now we need to add line 200 right after 190, and between line 190 and 350 we'll add auto 200, and in line 200 we will type RAM and then type print the title. And in line 210 we'll type print blast off with basic. Line 220, okay, in line 210 we will type locate 5,10, and in line 220 we'll type print blast off with basic. 230 we'll type RAM and then type asterisk like this, and type do the count down and type asterisk once again like this. Line 240 we'll type for T minus % equal to 10 to 0, step -1. Now this loop will be executed backward Line 250 we'll type locate 10, 10. Line 260 print t minus %. Line 270 for second asterisk is used for second, and type 1 to 9000 280. We'll type next SEC %, and 290 next t minus %. Line 300 RAM, get rid of the words line 310 we will type locate 10, 10. Line 320 print blank like this. Line 330 locate 5, 10, and line 340 will type print once again asterisk and then asterisk. Now we will press the enter key and then type Alt Control C. Now you can list the program, and you can see now we have made the changes, and now you can see throughout all the lines 200 till 390, 200, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, 360, 370, 80, and 90. Now we'll press the F4 key and type the name as rocket3.vas. We'll press the F2 key. Choose. Here is the countdown. Once the countdown is over, you can see that the rocket is launched and it blasts off with basic. So it's a very interesting program. So we will now switch to the text area. We will discuss the interpretation over there, viewers. So viewers, now we will discuss the interpretation of this program. We have added few lines, so we will discuss all these lines which have been now added into the program, and this is how we can count on and launch a rocket with the help of these lines. Line 85 adds an integer variable called t minus % and sets it equal to 10. This will be used for the countdown. Line 210 introduces a new basic statement: locate positions the cursor at a certain place on the screen. Locate tells basic where to display output. Any print statement following a locate will place its output at new position. So here we have seen that we have used a print statement, and then after that we have used locate statement. Likewise, we have used every time you see that any print statement following a locate statement. So this is the print statement following a locate statement. This print statement is once again following a locate statement, which will actually place output at a new position. So the first position was at 10, 10, and then next position was 5, 10. Here you can see there's a difference, that the first locate position was, the x coordinate is at the bottom, and then this is at now in the line 30 you can see there are the difference of 5, so this x will be right like a little lower than the line 310 where we have used 10 as x coordinate and y coordinates are at 10, 10. Now we'll discuss a little about locate row, column, how it is used. It's a very interesting topic. In our next video. That's all, viewers. Thanks.